and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Over 200 young people gathered at the Don Bosco Technical Institute, Henderson from 7th to 9th of June to participate in the 5th youth camp called Bosco on the theme Let Your Dreams Be Your Wings, inspired by the Rector Major's Trena 2024. The participants came from various parishes from the Laura Vicuña Hostel FMA, from DBTI Henderson, DBRTC and Don Bosco Learning Center Schools, Rinadi. The director of DBTI Henderson, Father Rafi Galf SDB, officially welcomed the participants, followed by the presentation of the Rector Major's Trena 2024 by Father Sonny Fajardo. The next day, the participants carried out various leisure activities and had the opportunity to go to confession and take part in the Eucharistic celebration. The session of the day was presented by Ms. Kamari Bienavalu, former principal of DBTI Henderson and first Salesian cooperator in the Solomon Islands, who spoke about the Strena 2024 and Don Bosco's childhood dream. Don Bosco partners in various parts of Karnataka, supported by Breeds, were on the streets of World Day Against Child Labour on the 12th of June 2024 and throughout the week. Accompanied by children rescued from difficult circumstances, children from government and private schools, and government officials and social workers, they spread the word about dispelling child labour from our society. The Government of India had identified 16 districts in Karnataka state that were prone to child labour, of which Breeds and its Don Bosco partners work in more than 10 locations. San Lorenzo, a Peruvian city founded in 1670, is the capital of the district of Barranca and the province of Datim del Maranon in the Peruvian department of Loreto. With a population of around 17,000, its main streets are lined with shops and restaurants offering diverse good food. Yet in San Lorenzo, many of its citizens face the arduous challenges of poverty, especially among indigenous groups who descend on the city for health reasons, often finding themselves in complete solitude. Poverty is stronger and more evident among the elderly, explains Mrs. Tula Pizuri, head of the kitchen at the Salesian Mama Margaret Refectory. Students at the St. John Bosco School in Sora have brought great pride to their institute and to the entire state of Meghalaya, obtaining numerous awards as part of the prestigious National Kickboxing Championship, organized by the National Kickboxing of India and held in Siliguri. Derek Dashankur Nongrum and Don Borlang Lungdo won gold, while Yashanlang Susngi won bronze. On the evening of 18 June, the young winners were festively welcomed by the principal of the school, Father Alphonsius Rongrin. He expressed joy and pride at the results achieved and also said that the students received a cash prize and scholarships. Finally, a round of applause also went to the coach, Mr. Nathaniel, under whose guidance the young people distinguished themselves in this important championship. The Congress of Salesian Schools in the province of Rocklo PLO was held in Poznan on 13 and 14th of June under the title Star Allegro, Be Cheerful. The event brought together students from all the cities where there are Salesian schools: Lubin, Tanoski Gori, Lenzo Raklo and Puzana. The motto was "Like Us" in reference to the 5 blessed martyrs of Pozona, whom the church commemorates on 12th of June. The program of Congress was rich and diverse. High school students had the opportunity to visit an emotional location in Poznan, Fort 7, which is an important place in the history of Poland. While the younger participants participated in a research with Pitaka Poznan to deepen their knowledge of their history of the region. During the Eucharist, presided over by Father Bartomich Polanski, superior of the PLO province, and the evening adoration led by the choir of Salesian students, the participants were able to pray together and experience the importance of Salesian values for young people. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.